In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick note in Notion. A simple tutorial, perfect for beginners and new to this versatile workspace tool. Notion is renowned for its dynamic capabilities that help streamline both personal note-taking and professional workflows. Today we'll focus on a straightforward task, making a quick note. It's a foundational skill that not only serves as the bedrock for other operations in Notion, but also gets you accustomed to its intuitive interface. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open your workspace in Notion. This is where all the magic happens. If you're doing this for the first time, think of your workspace as your digital desk. It's where you can keep everything organized, access all your pages, and manage your projects. Once you're in, let's shift our focus to the task at hand, creating a quick note. Next, what you'll want to do is to click on the plus New Page button. This button is like your open canvas. When you click on it, Notion creates a fresh, blank page just for you, ready for anything you have in mind. You'll see it on the sidebar, usually accompanied by a green or teal plus icon, which makes it easy to spot. As you create your new page, take a Take a moment to think about your note's purpose. Whether it's for drafting ideas, jotting down reminders, or something else entirely, visualizing your end goal can really enhance the utility of Notion's features. Now that you have a fresh page, it's time to start typing your note directly. This is where Notion truly shines. It offers flexibility. You can enter text seamlessly. Consider using different headers, bullet points, or even a checklist if you prefer. Notion allows for text formatting similar to any text editor, but gives you additional features like embedded files and media. However, simplicity is key when you're just getting started. Type away and note that whatever you jot down can be easily adjusted or edited later. Lastly, you'll want to decide where to store or how to link your new note in your database, if you utilize one. If you're just starting, placing your note directly into your General Notes section might suffice. But let's say you're working within a project or you're building out a knowledge base, you'll have the option to link your note to more complex databases, such as tables that track progress or include additional details. This feature not only makes your notes easy to find, but also keeps your larger organizational structure intact. And there you have it. A simple guide to creating a quick note in Notion. Remember, mastering these basic steps builds a foundation for exploring more advanced features at your own pace. Experiment, play around with formatting, and make Notion your own. Thanks for joining me in this beginner's tutorial, and happy note-taking.